You the truth and the truth matter. Living proof, residue through the burnt rapper. All because of you I let loose like I ain't gathering. Blue strip, take trips right after.
Hey y'all, I'm back and I wanted to drop a makeup video. Since I am going to be an esthetician, I do need to get better at blending techniques. So I'm not gonna get any better just by sitting at home. So why not keep dropping makeup videos? This one was a little bit short because I didn't have that much storage space because Apple want to be playing around with me, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? It's okay. Next video is gonna be straight. I'm gonna get everything situated because I did just drop a video this morning, so I got to remove that, but I'm not done promoting it, so it's still gonna be, it's taking up space. So sorry, but yeah. Anyways, I'm trying to get back to being more consistent on YouTube, and keep dropping them for you. So why not keep dropping makeup tutorials or makeup videos or makeup inspiration videos? So let me know if you like this look and drop a comment below. Let me know if you finished the video. I have something at the end of the video that I want everybody to put in the comments, so I just want to know if you finish the video, because it's really like a 3-minute video anyway. So yeah, anyways, on to the video. Okay, so I am going to moisturize my face with some Pond's face moisturizer, you know what I'm saying? Boom. And then I'm going to go and start off with this MILANI eyebrow cream, and you know what I'm saying, just trying to fill in those brows and whatnot, you know what I'm saying. And then I go over my ends with a brown pencil, and just to make it look a little bit darker on the ends and to the tip of my eyebrows. Then I go over my eyelids and over the eyebrow with Jordana Complete Cover. It's a maximum coverage 2-in-1 concealer and foundation, and I found this at Primark. I think I'm gonna put it in the description so you guys can go ahead and look at it. And then I just have my little e.l.f. palette and whatnot. I don't even know the colors that I'm using. I know that they are basically just natural tones. So I started off with this like a brownish auburn color, and then I went on the ends and I tried to do like this little smoky effect with like this deep purple. And I mean, next video I'm gonna slow it down for y'all. I just didn't have enough storage to be doing this on my phone, but I knew I needed to get my watch time up, so help a sister out, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I go over it with my Pro Conceal in the color of Toffee to try to do a cut crease. It's my I'm still in a beginning phase, so don't be coming for me, okay? That's the reason why I'm going back to beauty school. Don't even do me, okay? So I got the primer from e.l.f. and whatnot, and it's the illuminating primer. So it gives you that little glow effect, and makes your skin look flawless before you put on, after you put on your foundation and whatnot. Then I have a liquid liner from Wet n Wild, and it's a brown shade, again with the brown. And then I go back over my highlighting spots with the Pro Conceal Toffee again, and I also contour with the Black Radiance dark brown contour stick, and voila. Oh yeah, and then my lip gloss is like a butter gloss from NYX. My mascara is LA Girl, boom, from Dollar Tree. Hit them with that good old cheapo, okay? El Chapo Cheapo. And my blush is Artesian Black Radiance. It's a Black Radiance Artesian blush. And I also put a little bit of highlighter, but it was like a little bronze highlighter from Black Radiance as well. So yeah, and I just went and set it everything. I didn't even do a setting powder, but I did a setting spray from e.l.f. But yeah, let me know if you guys like this little basic all everyday look or whatnot. To be continued. Oh, and I didn't even put no lashes on in this month. You know, I need to start putting lashes on in my videos because, you know, I plan on selling lashes later on down the line. But, yeah. Let me know how y'all feel about this look. Holla.